Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So, hi amigas, welcome back to day 9 of 12 days of eye tutorials. I hope I'm right, but I think it's day 9. But yeah, so for today's video, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Cosmic Crush eyeshadow palette. Bought it, never used it. So this is what the shades look like right here, and I'm pretty excited. Not sure what I want to do, but I think I want to do like a neutral eye on the top. I want to do a neutral eye and then a pop of color on the bottom lash line. Now I don't know if I'm going to be using, I'll probably be using this purple right here as a little pop. This is to all the amigas that like to wear a neutral eye look, but this is how you amp it up a little bit with a pop of whatever color you like on the lower lash line. I do that sometimes every so often, but yeah, I think that's what I'm going to be going for. So if you're interested to see what I come up with, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So, like I mentioned, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Cosmic Crush eyeshadow palette. And it looks something like this right here. So pretty. So I think I'm going to do a neutral eye and then a pop of purple, I think. Yeah. So to begin, I think I'm going to use... First of all, I'm going to go into the shade Milky Way, which is this shade right here. Oh my god, amigas, did I forget to tell you what I have so far? How could I forget? So before I do that, see, I got too excited. I need to pump the brakes. Alrighty, so all I really have done is the eyebrows with nothing new, as you already know. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony to outline. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Powder in the shade Ebony to fill them in. And then of course I went in with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to carve out the bottom of my eyebrow and then prime the lids. So now we can begin. Now that I got that out of the way. Jeez. I just had a coffee. My second cup of coffee, and I feel like I'm like so I'm sorry. But anyways, let's jump back into the eyeshadow palette. But yeah, so I'm gonna go into the shade Milky Way, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it to the highest point of my eyebrows just to, you know, make them appear higher. I like that look. But if you don't, you can most definitely skip. And then I'm just going to brush it over the entire lid, because why not? And with this shader brush, it's like a 1, 2, 3 and you're done. But alrighty, so now I think I'm going to go into the shade. Let's see. I'm going to go neutral because I want to do the pop of purple at the bottom. So I'm going to go into the shade Orbit, which is this pretty nice light brown shade, and I'm going to apply that to the crease like so. Alrighty, so I like how that is looking. Now I'm going to use a shader brush, and I think I'm going to go into the shade Big Bang, which is this slightly darker shade of brown. And I'm going to apply that to the outer part of the lid right here. I'm trying to keep it very, very simple on the top lid. I don't want to go too dark. I'm going to go back in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend those shades. So you know what? I think I'm going to go into Frost in Space, because I want to use that ultraviolet on the lower lash line. So yeah, and this time I don't think I'm gonna apply any glitter glue. I'm just gonna go in with Frost in Space, which is this like pinky shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply that to the lid. I think this has to be some type of a topper because like there's like it's super light. I don't think you could see anything. Yeah, I'm not too convinced. Let's try. I don't know if I like that shade. Well, there's nothing really, honestly. Let's try Cosmic Crush. Like, it's pigmented when I swatch it, but on the eyes, that Frost in Space, it wasn't really showing up. Then I'm going to go with my crease shade. Then I'm going to blend out these two colors right here, making sure they blend nicely into one another. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like. The shimmers are not doing much for me, honestly. I don't know if I like it. You know what? I think I'm going to go into Moon Glow, which is this shade right here. It's like a gray. And let's try and put that over that Cosmic Crush shade. I'm not sure, amigas. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like these. I'm going to go into Twinkle Twinkle, which is that brown, and apply it to this part. I don't know. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. But anyways, amigas, I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to do liner, lashes, finish the face. And then I think I'm just going to apply the Ultraviolet, which is this purple shade, in the bottom lash line. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll come back and show you the final result. So stay tuned. Alrighty, amigas. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I like the pop of purple. It's very subtle, but it's so pretty, and I feel like it matches my shirt. By the way, I love this shade of purple. Love, 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 love. I seen it at Target and it's super soft, and I was like, I need to get it. The only thing is it's a crop top, and yeah, I kind of have to wear like long pants because I don't like to show my belly area, but it's really short. It's really, really short. But yeah, I just love this color. But anyways, we're here about the makeup. But yeah, I really like the makeup. It's very simple with like a pop of purple. This is very like I said, it's very subtle. Something I would wear for work too, like whenever I want to like bring it up a notch and make it pretty, instead of wearing like full-blown purple eyeshadow to work. But yeah, I like it. And that's using the Too Faced Cosmic Crush palette, which this is not a review, but the mattes in this palette were nice, but the shimmers, I didn't like them. I didn't like them. But the mattes were nice. But yeah, you have to work with what you have, right? So I bought it. Now I want to get some use out of it. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the eye look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!